Hello students, in today's video we will study about the science behind the boiling point of the liquids. Why pressure cooker reduces the time of cooking and why it becomes very difficult to cook at higher altitude places. Why are at higher altitude places there is running nose, and this we will explain on the basis of some graphical representation and with some demo experiments. So let's start. Now first of all, what is boiling point? In general, we say that boiling point is the temperature at which liquid boils, but this is not the true or very good definition. The exact and scientific definition is the boiling point of a substance or a liquid is the temperature at which the vapor pressure of that liquid becomes equal to the surrounding or external pressure. Repeating again, what is boiling point? Boiling point of a substance or a liquid is the temperature at which the vapor pressure of that liquid equals the pressure surrounding the liquid, means external pressure. In general, we consider atmospheric pressure at that surrounding liquid, surrounding pressure. So, in other words, the boiling point of a liquid varies depending upon the surrounding environmental pressure. If that pressure is increased or pressure is decreased, the boiling point will definitely change. For example, water has a boiling point, normal boiling point of 100 degrees centigrade. But inside pressure cooker where pressure is high, means external pressure is high, its boiling point increases. But as we move higher to the higher altitudes, atmospheric pressure or the external pressure is decreased. And because of that, the boiling point of water also decreases. So this we can explain on the basis of a graph. So let's understand now the concept behind or the science behind the boiling point using a graphical representation. Now consider this graph in which on one side we are plotting the temperature and the other side we are representing the vapor pressure. We know that with increase in temperature, vapor pressure increases. So this is the line which is representing the external pressure P. So this is the normal condition. Okay. So we know that with increase in temperature, vapor pressure will increase. So we will get a line like this. You can see here, vapor pressure is increasing with the increase in temperature. So when it becomes equal to this external pressure, that temperature is referred to as boiling point. So this is the boiling point of liquid. Say it is water. So TB is the boiling point which is corresponding to the external pressure P. Normal condition. This is the normal condition, and in normal condition the boiling point of water is 100 degree centigrade. Okay. Now what will happen when we will move to a place where altitude is high? At that situation, the external pressure is low. So this is the situation. You can now see that at this point, now the boiling point will come, because as we will increase the temperature, vapor pressure will increase, and at this point it will become equal to external pressure, means at higher altitude. Now the boiling point of liquid is low as compared to which was in the normal condition. Okay, so this is TB dash. So this is now TB dash. This is the boiling point of the liquid at higher altitude, and from graph we can see that the boiling point is low as compared to normal condition. So this is the normal condition, and this is the condition where boiling point has been decreased, because that mark where the external pressure now is becoming equal to that of vapor pressure is lowered as compared to normal external pressure conditions. So this is the condition at higher altitude. That's why we say that at higher altitude water boils at lower temperature. So again I am considering the example of water. Let it is boiling at 100 degrees centigrade at normal external pressure conditions, but at higher altitude it will boil at say 80 degree or 85 degree centigrade temperature, and it will become difficult or it will take longer time to cook rice, vegetables, to boil eggs, etc. Because boiling point of water is lowered, decreased. Now inside the pressure cooker, totally reverse of this happens. So this is the condition where we are representing the pressure inside the pressure cooker. So inside the pressure cooker, boiling point increases because we have to heat more. We have to heat more to make this vapor pressure equal to the external pressure. So in this situation now, the boiling point of water will increase. So let this is TB double dash. So this is the boiling point TB double dash inside the pressure cooker. So from this graph now you can say that TB double dash is higher than TB dash, means boiling point of water inside the pressure cooker is more than normal conditions, and boiling point of water at higher altitude is low than the normal external pressure conditions. So this graph is now clearly indicating the effect of external pressure on the boiling point. So remember one thing again, boiling point is the temperature at which the vapor pressure of a liquid becomes equal to the surrounding pressure or the external pressure. At higher altitude, this external pressure is low, so boiling point will be low. Inside the pressure cooker, pressure is high than the normal external pressure. Obviously the boiling point of water will be high. So at higher altitude what happens? Since external pressure is reduced, water boils at low temperature, hence cooking takes longer time than normal. One more problem is seen there. When we move to higher altitude conditions, there is a running nose, means bleeding starts from the nose, not running nose, but bleeding starts from the nose. This is due to the reason that external pressure is low, but blood pressure inside our body is high. So blood flows through our nose out. Cooking becomes difficult, that I have told you now. And one more thing is more. Fountain pens, they are emptied before going to higher altitude, because again the same situation is here. Inside the fountain pen, ink is filled with the pressure. If external pressure will be high, the ink will be flown out. So ink will come out of the pen because pressure inside the pen will be more, fountain pen will be more than the external pressure, and it is obvious that the liquid will flow from a region of higher pressure to lower pressure. So these are the three aftermaths of or effects of low pressure at higher altitude. So inside the pressure cooker what happens? As I told you earlier, external pressure increases, pressure inside the cooker increases, and boiling point of water also increases. And as a result of this, because boiling point of water is very high now as compared to normal 100 degrees centigrade, cooking becomes easy or faster. You must have seen coffee makers where the pressure inside that coffee maker is very high, and we get generally a superheated steam because the pressure inside the container or that steel made container is very high, and boiling point of water becomes very high. It becomes so high that the water is converted into superheated steam. Now what is the effect of external pressure on boiling point, particularly when we reduce the boiling point, when we reduce the external pressure, boiling point will be reduced. That we will see in the form of a demo. So let's see it. In a container, put some water which is preheated to about 80 to 85 degrees centigrade temperature. With the help of a syringe, take 2 to 3 milliliter of this water in it, pull the piston, and as soon as you will pull the piston, you will decrease the pressure. And when pressure is decreased, you can now clearly see the water has started boiling. So the temperature of water is still 80 to 85 degrees centigrade, but it is boiling. So pressure decreases, boiling point decreases.